Hello everyone, let's look at the steps to show seconds in the system clock of Windows 11. In the operating system, you can now show seconds in the system tray clock and on the clock that appears in the notification center. And this is how you do it. First, let's open the Start menu. And then we're going to go to the Date and Time page. And here, just click this setting. And from here, check the Show Seconds in the system tray clock. Remember that this option is going to consume more power. And as you can see, now seconds show up in the system tray clock. Now, you can also show a full clock in the notification center that includes seconds. And to do that, just turn on the show time in notification center. Once you do that, the next time that you open notification center, you're going to see a clock with seconds right here above the calendar. Since displaying a clock with seconds in the system tray will use more power, then the recommended option is just to show seconds and the clock for the notification center. In that case, you only need to turn on this option right here. And that's it. Those are the two quick ways that you can use to show a clock with seconds on Windows 11. Remember to leave your comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.